Yes, now you are visible, sir.
Yeah, very good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, sir. How are you doing,
How have
sir?
you been? Yes, everything is fine. And how about you?
I'm also fine, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, sure. So could you please give a brief introduction if you don't mind?
Okay. My name is Mamta Yadav. I am from Haryana. There are four members in my family. And as far as concern my education, I have done BCA. That's all about myself, sir.
Okay. So, well, I'm happy to tell you myself as well. Well, this is Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from Bihar and the district Madhubani. And talking about my educational qualification, I'm a student and I am preparing for a competitive examination nowadays. And the exam which is conducted under the the SSC, I am preparing for that. And if I talk about my interest, I love making videos and I love teaching. Yeah, that's it. Okay, ma'am. So we are
That's
meeting very first time. Yeah. So may I know that? Okay, why are you on this app? Because this app is only user uh, that people okay who is fond of speaking English. So why are you here?
very nice question, sir. I'm also a learner, or I also want to become a fluent speaker. That's why I am here.
But I can see that, okay, and can observe that. I think you are good at speaking, okay. You don't have any kind of problem. Yeah, you are very
No,
fluent in
I
English.
no, I don't have any kind of problems, but somewhere I get stuck and I feel blank, totally blank, and I don't have good vocabs as well. I want to know about new vocabs every day. Means English subject is a very vast subject, and if we learn uh, every day, something will get new.
Okay, so you are here, okay, to improve yourself, and you want to come in. You have to, enhance your communication skills. Yes, that is why you are here.
Yes, sir, definitely. Because earlier
Okay.
I didn't speak
Okay.
English, and earlier I used to speak haltingly. But nowadays I can speak little bit fluent, not very fluent, but I'm able to speak in front of other people. Earlier it was not like that. So nowadays I'm improving day by day.
Okay. So how did you get this idea? Okay, I should improve my English. Okay, and I should start, doing the practice. Okay, how did you get this idea?
Okay, I watched a Shanta ma'am video first time on YouTube channel. In that video, ma'am conversed with co-learners. That time
Mhm.
I got to know about this idea, and I also started. Means I struggle a lot. Means uh, a month I struggled, and
Mhm.
after that I got to know how can I converse with co-learners. So today I am
Okay.
here. After
Okay, that's
hard
really
working, I am
interesting.
here.
That is really interesting, okay, because I think you are responsible lady, okay, you have children, okay, and however you are doing the practice and you should try to learn something, okay, so that is really appreciable, okay, and I really respect
Yeah,
your efforts.
thank you very much, sir. Means whenever I get little bit time, though I try to connect with co-learners. Right now, I have a little bit time. That's why seen your message, saw your message, and then I thought, why shouldn't I connect with him and talk with you? So that we can become be fluent. Uh,
Yeah,
we
exactly,
uh,
exactly.
we practicing.
Yeah, exactly. Practicing is the key, okay, that will make you perfect and that will make you the perfect speaker. Yeah, so I think you should do the practice on the regular basis, and definitely you will be perfect speaker one day.
Thank you very much, sir. I am doing every day. Means at least I connect with two peoples in a day, and then I do my study as well. Also, I
Okay.
also watch some videos, educational videos I watch, and I try to grab new phrases from that.
Yes, sure. I think you should learn, the new phrases, okay, idioms, okay, and if you utilize and if you implement, such kind of, idioms, okay, so it will, bring the, the more, impressive your English. Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, means I feel we are able to speak, but sometimes we get stuck. So that situation, I come out from that situation as well.
Yeah, so I think if you want to be fluent, okay, so I think you should speak more, okay, speak more and more because speaking comes by speaking. Let's suppose, okay, you
Yes,
want to become a fluent speaker, you want to become a swimmer, and you only keep reading the books, but you will not into the river, okay, then how will you become a swimmer, and how will you become a speaker? So I think you should speak more
definitely.
and more, okay, and how much you can speak, you should do that, okay, and definitely you will get the result, okay, whatever you want. Yeah, so I think you should speak
Correct,
more and more.
correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Yeah.
You are, whatever you have told me, everything is correct, and I'm also trying to connect with people. That's why I'm connecting with people because I want to become fluent speaker, and I don't stuck while speaking. I don't want to stuck while speaking. So whether means simultaneously, I will work on my grammar portion and vocabulary portion and phrases and idioms as well. These
Hmm.
all these things I want these things to put in my conversation.
Yes, sure. I think you should definitely you should definitely work on that thing, okay? Because if you use the the simple level words, okay, that is so easy to use them, okay. But I think you want to become the good speaker, like you want to connect yourself with the globally, okay. Then you should do something different. Thereafter people can listen you and people can watch your videos, and definitely you can grow in your life as well. Yeah.
Definitely, sir. I have
Okay.
also seen a little bit changes in myself as well. Means first time I was totally nervous. I was nervous, and but I talked with her. Means
Mm-hmm.
I first meeting was my with Shanta ma'am. That time she is a tutor. You must know about her. Have you
I
heard?
don't know. I
No,
haven't
she
heard.
is a tutor. Okay. She is also tutor and she is also running her channel and she is a housewife and she is putting conversational videos on her channels. So that's also really motivates the co-learner.
Yeah.
Because of
So
that video, I motivated a lot.
yeah, definitely.
Earlier,
Okay.
I used to
So
speak with.
as you said that, okay, she is uploading the video and she is working on channel, okay. So may I know that, okay, is there any channel particular your channel you are also uploading the video?
Yes, sir. I have also a channel. Name is Let's Learn English. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
also uploading these types conversational videos on that. Earlier, I used to put some videos related to grammar.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, I thought this is the trending one, and people love to watch the conversational videos. That's why I switched on conversational videos.
Exactly. So how many subscribers do you have?
Not much, sir. Still 190 around.
192. So have you gone through my channel? Have you watched any of my videos?
No, sir. No, I didn't see your
Okay.
channel. Please
I'm just
send me
going
link.
to definitely after this conversation I will send you the link, okay. And maybe this week I will hit the the 1K subscriber, yeah. And it's almost 900 subscriber now on my channel.
Okay, very nice, sir. How long have you been to running this channel?
Yeah, I have been working on my channel for 4 or 5 months. I'm not sure
Okay,
exactly.
it's a big achievement.
Yeah,
How
thank you
did you
very much.
get so much subscriber?
Because one of my videos got viral. One of my videos got viral, okay. And I got 400 plus subscriber in 2 and 3 days.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
very nice, sir.
Because
That's
because a lot of people are saying that, okay, Mithil, the way you just communicate, okay, and your accent is very natural. Yeah, you do not try to
good.
copy to the any of accent like British and American, okay. So your accent is very natural, okay. That's why I like your videos and I love to talk to you as well. Yeah.
Very nice, sir.
because i'm
Definitely.
from because I'm from Bihar, okay. And that's really challenges for me that to learn English, because especially in Bihar, people are good at good at grammar. They are good at writing a skill, but when it comes to speaking, okay, they get blank, they don't express their self. But I'm the one,
Hmm.
okay, who can express myself easily, and I do not have any kind of problem. You can see on my face, okay, you can understand the way I'm just speaking to you, so you can
Yes, you
absolutely
are quite confident.
get that.
Yes, definitely. But there is lot of people from Bihar. Sir, they are
Mhm.
also learning English language. Means I know, I have known one. person. He is also
Mhm.
YouTuber, and he's also from Bihar. But right now he is living in Kerala. He's doing
Mhm.
work over there. Like he is a milkman, and he's studied up to 10th standard, and he speaks very fluently. He started from the
Exactly.
zero.
Exactly, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. You are a tea seller, you are the milk seller, and you are from village, because opportunity is equal for everyone. Because nowadays
Yes,
everything has been connected with the the globalization. Yeah, everything is connected with the internet. So if you are staying in Delhi, if you are staying in any part of India, so the things you can access, okay, I can also access. Yeah, so that is why it's so easy to to get anything and to improve yourself, okay, to get anything in your
yes.
life. That's very easy.
And the
Yeah, because
another thing, one more thing is it's become a global language, and it's a means of communications with different peoples. Like you are from Bihar. Do you know Hindi?
yeah. Yes, I know Hindi. I know Hindi, Mathli, even Bhojpuri.
Okay.
A little bit, I
You
Bhojpuri
told me
also know that.
yesterday. Yes,
Yeah,
but I don't know Mathli and Bhojpuri. If you didn't know Hindi language, then how can we converse with each other?
definitely.
So
English is the
this is
language, okay, which
the
can.
main
Mhm.
means to connect with people, and we can express our view, and we can also share our views with different peoples, and we can get their views as well. Means
Absolutely,
the
because
languages, if we don't know English language, there is a barrier.
Mhm.
Language is a barrier, like a barrier. We can't converse with each other.
Yeah,
So it's a good way to connect with peoples.
absolutely. Because I think English is the language, okay, we can connect to the people entire the the world. Yeah, because if you know Mathli, if you know Bhojpuri, if you know Hindi language, okay, then you cannot connect yourself with globally. Yeah, so this is the language, okay,
Definitely.
that is connected to the all the people. Yeah, so that's why people are learning and people are crazy behind it. And it is the language,
Mhm.
okay, that will bring you the more confident, that will make you confident. Yeah.
Yes, definitely. Earlier, means few days ago, I talked with a lady. She's from Telangana, but she
Mhm.
don't know how to speak Hindi. So we were conversing like in English. This is only the way we were able to talk with each other, and we are understanding what she wanted to tell me, and what I wanted to tell her. So
Mhm.
that's why I thought it's a good language. We should learn, and everybody learn. Everybody should learn.
Yeah, absolutely, because it is the demand of today, okay. Whether you go in technological field, whether you go in medical field, okay, and it has the many advantages. Yes, because
Yes,
if you are
everywhere.
if you are
Even you are if you are working in a mall,
Mhm.
your profile is not good, but English language is required over there as well.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. You can say that, okay, English is required for each and every requirement. in the in the
Yes,
last, we can say
definitely.
that. Yeah.
Definitely.
Whether you are a teacher, whether you are a student, whether you are a working professional, no matter you are a peon, but it is mandatory.
Okay. Okay. I want to ask you one question. How
Mhm.
did you start your journey, and when did you start your journey to means learning English language?
Yeah, I think it's been for a long time. Okay, I it's been for a long time. Okay, I have been doing the practice. Okay, I think since 2000, 18, I started my journey. But I was not, doing such kind of practice. Okay, I used to take offline classes, and I used to return only. Yeah, but I think in 1 and 2 years, okay, I have been doing such kind of practice.
Okay, very nice. And how did you get motivated?
I think motivation is inner you. Okay, I think you should recognize your motivation. Okay, because I think if you somebody motivates you, okay, that will not be longer. But if you motivate yourself, okay, that will work. Yeah, so I got motivation from my inner heart, okay, because I know the situation, what is the situation of my family, what is the situation of my father, my mother, okay. So that's why I just got the motivation. Yeah, I didn't motivated by somebody else.
Okay. Just a
Who
minute.
is there?
Okay, that's nice, sir. Very nice, sir. And
Okay, ma'am. So I. Mhm.
yes, sir. Ask question, please.
Is there any work? Okay, somebody is calling you, then you can go.
Yes, sir. I'm on my duty. Means, I just reached at 9 o'clock in my office, and I work in an institute, and children are coming. So I thought, why should I talk with you? So so we
Okay, so
meet again.
I can see that. Okay, there is a smart board, beside of sorry, back in your back.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so whenever you have free time, okay, you can send me the message and we will connect.
Okay, definitely, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
It was a
bye.
nice talking. Bye, sir.
Bye. Please take care yourself and your loving children as well.
Okay, you too, sir. You too. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much for your
It's time to
wishes.
say bye. Bye bye.
Bye.